Okay, this is for the insertion of the binding post. From the edge of the vinyl curtain, come in approximately 3/4 to 1 inch or 19 to 25 millimeters. The marking should be placed on an area where the vinyl is actually double thickness, or there's a shiny well line on the vinyl itself. Again, that's about 3/4 to 1 inch or 19 to 25 millimeter. A small mark for location, and with a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through all the layers of the panel. With the post, the thicker post inserted from the back side. And the screw portion from the front. And tighten. Again, the screw should be located on the double thickness of the vinyl cover. Thank you.